Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can make your images interactive that displays relevant information about any content. So now let's go here and we need to use image hotspot widget. Let me go and click on edit with Elementor. And now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. After that we can add new containers on this page. Need to use image hotspot element. So let me search for hotspot, this one. So before that we need to add a new container. So now let me go here and now again search for hotspot, then drag the image here. So now let me upload image from my laptop and then let me select this image. After that let's go to hotspot. So you can change image size. Here you can see these are the different image sizes. So let me select this one. After that now click on hotspot and then click on item, then scroll down and now let me scroll up and add label, for example Burj Khalifa. And then let me add icon, map, this one. So now here I want to show only icon. So let me copy it and then scroll down. Now let me remove this one and add here. So after that now let me go to style tab and then this one is the image width, and if we scroll down here you can see hotspot, then you can see size. For example, if I increase size a little bit, okay, now let's change the color to this one. You can also change the background color. You can also add border radius and padding. So now let's go back and now we need to change the position. So you can go here and then let me scroll up. So here you can see this one offset x-axis and this one is y-axis. So you can check and move and then you can adjust. So let me move it on the top and here it looks fine. So now click on publish button and now we need to go on tooltip. Then you can change the position as well as you can also change this one trigger. So by default this is selected on click. You can also change by hover. So when you mouse over on it, then it will display. You can also change the alignment. So you can display left, right, top, bottom. And after that click on publish button. So now let's reload this page. And here you can see this one looking fine. So now if you want to link this map, you can go back to the hotspot, then scroll down, and here you can see link option. You can also add your website link. For example, let me add here, and now this one is linked. You can also add Google Maps link. For example, if I go here, Google Maps, then I can copy this one maps link. For example, let me type here this one, and then I can also use this link, as well as you can go here, then you can also copy this link. Now let's connect this link to this icon, then click on publish button. So now if we go and reload this page, now let's click on this icon, and now here you can see it is redirecting to Google Maps.